back to the channel. Glad to have you here in today's exclusive video. I'm really excited to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with the would you rather niche. These keywords are long tail. These keywords are very specific and they all fit the profitability metrics that we are used to talking about. And also, I'd like to quickly remind you that if you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you are looking for content such as this one with an updated daily list of KDP profitable keywords that are carefully analyzed and researched and shared with you on a step-by-step guide strategy, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. All of the keywords are carefully researched using 4 free Chrome extensions. You can access the video where I talk about the Chrome extensions that I'm using, as well as guiding you how to use them correctly. Here on the channel, you just simply go to the search bar and you type in Chrome and the video will pop up. Alternatively, it is also linked in the description box below. This is part 1 of the Would You Rather KDP keyword series. I'm hoping to find other related keywords as well to share with you, but we'll see how the research goes as we continue on with this video. So the first keyword for the day is Would You Rather game book for boys. Amazing keyword. We have a really strong, solid keyword niche score given by Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and they have given us a 66 green light, ready to go, solid, strong, foundational 66 that we can be able to rely on. Not only that, we also have the total results currently sitting under 1,000, which is ideal, and they are currently sitting at 896. The average bestseller rank is also ideal because it is under 300,000. The lower the better, and this one is sitting at 195,815 as well, which is good to see. The average reviews are a whooping 2,573 and the average price is $8.94. This is an amazing keyword. We've got the type of book, which is Would You Rather. We've got the it is basically a game book, and we have the audience right here, which is for boys. Now we could go along and niche down further to be able to come up with a theme for the Would You Rather. Is it based on science fiction? Is it based on robots, horror? Is it animal based? If so, can we niche down maybe more specific animal, kind of like as in like dinosaurs, prehistoric, any of these like Icelandic animals, mammals such as penguins. We've got polar bears, any other animals that live in a very cold climate as well. What about the African type of animals found in the African safari? That would be an amazing way to niche down. Or we can just currently create a general Would You Rather game book for boys, divided into specific sections as well. We could also niche down based on the level of difficulty, or make it funny, make it serious, make it educational. There's all different ways to niche down. Also niching down based on the size. Would we like a large print 8.5 times 11, or do you want a travel size, which is a 6 by 9 inches, or would you like a pocket size, which is an 8.5 times 8.5 inches? Scrolling down here, we have a couple of books with a really good bestseller rank. This one is sponsored, so I'll not be looking at this. This one's not sponsored as well. No, these are the same. My apologies. This one's sponsored, so we would like to avoid the ones that are sponsored because the ads really play around with the results. This one here, Would You Rather You Made Me Think edition, is not sponsored. There is no ads running, and it currently has a bestseller rank of 3,971, generating around 895 per month and selling approximately 780 copies per month. Now you can get access to this wonderful extension that gives you the results of each of the books right over here. This one's also another bestseller as well, which is sitting currently at 13,360, generating around approximately 1,238 per month. This one also has a good bestseller rank, but it's not really getting much sales. So there are a couple of books that are ranking as well under this first page. That is the first keyword for the day, Would You Rather game book for boys. Now you can go ahead and make your own from scratch. You can also use templates as well. You can also use whatever is available at Creative Fabrica. I have recently, as of yesterday, included a Would You Rather a book that revolves around science fiction. If you would like to check that out, it will be in my Creative Fabrica store, linked in the description box below. You can also be able to get that for free if you have either a all access Creative Fabrica subscription, or if you would like to take a Creative Fabrica 30-day free trial, you'll be able to access that for free. Upload it as a PDF to, for example, Photoshop, Affinity, Publisher, or Canva. Edit, change around the elements here and there, the wording a little bit, and then upload to KDP, and I wish you all the best. So that was for the first keyword. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and it is also revolving around Would You Rather. This one is Would You Rather Conversation Cards Family Edition. This is an amazing book where you will be able to create conversation type of card book. Because we will not be able to create actual physical conversation cards, just like flashcards, we're going to adapt the same strategy that we adopted in the flashbook type of keywords, where I dedicated around 3 videos about the flashbook flashcard type of books, where we were talking about making them either a pocket size, which is an 8.5 times 11 inches, sorry, 8.5 times 8.5, or we could make them whatever size we want and then combine 3, 4, or 5 cards in one sheet, and they would be cut through, laminated, or used as is by the customer. So let's break through the results. First of all, we have a good keyword niche score of 40 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. We also have a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which beautifully complements the 40. They are working beautifully together to give us a good keyword niche score. Also, the total results are under 1,000 and it's currently sitting at 225. Average bestseller rank is currently within that 100,000, of course, lower than 300, which is what we expected. And it is currently averaging 122,015. The average reviews are sitting at 964, and the average price is at a beautifully high $17.73. Scrolling down, we do have a lot of really good books under bestsellers as well, some cards as well. This one's a Would You Rather adult version, The Naughty Conversation Game, sitting at 46,380 as the bestseller, selling around 120 copies per month, generating around $101 just for that specific book. So this is a wonderful one. Just make it family edition, make it family friendly, separate it by sections if you want, if it's something that you're looking for as well. If you are looking at individual kind of card books, then you can size it at 8.5 times 8.5 inches, where there would be one card or one actual conversation prompt in that page, and then it would go on and on as well. So that was for the second keyword for the day. Let's have a look at our third and final keyword before we end today's video. And our third and final keyword is a beautiful keyword with a strong keyword niche score of 62 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and it is Would You Rather card game for teens, and it has given us a total results of 760, which is under 1,000. The average bestseller rank is sitting within that 300 to 400,000, and it is currently averaging 403,483. The average reviews are 1,561, and there is a beautiful average price of $15.55. Make it team friendly, make it about topics that teenagers love to know about or love to kind of make a dare game about as well. And also have a look at the sizing to see what kind of different sizes there are available in. This one's a beautiful example. This one is Would You Rather Teen Challenge Edition. These are basically revolved around funny questions, and also it is currently generating around 521 per month, selling around 270 copies, and it has a beautiful bestseller rank, a low 25,434. There are no ads running. It is priced $7.19. You can also be able to click on it. This one's also beautiful as well. This one has a bestseller rank of 330,424, and it has around 796 ratings or reviews. This one is currently ranking in card games. So this is a beautiful way for you to get into the get an overview on what kind of categories there are, what kind of categories you'll be able to choose as well. So incorporate this wonderful keyword in your title or in your subtitle to take maximum effect of it, and you can utilize the 2 other keywords in the 7 keyword slots. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.